Hi everyone. Now it's time for our part 6 of our series on Arnis Bagging tutorial. Okay, so this video is for the number 6 part, and we are going to apply all those strikes, different strikes. The linear strikes, which is the tigbas or taga. Then the curve strike, which is the witik kurbada. 3 is the flywheel strikes, which is the redondo or redonda. Number 4 is the abanico strike, which is the fan strike. Number 5 is the diagonal strike, which is the X strike, diagonal X. Now for this part 6, this would be the combinations, okay, of the variety of strikes performing our Eskrima-Kali-Arnis Bagging using my simulation tires, okay, my punching bags. So for this video, it is a random strike, alright? Random strike, different strikes. So you have to notice the posture, the garrote hand, alright? One quick reminder: when you are holding your garrote or your olisi, hold it firmly. Again, hold it firmly, but not tight. Got it? Firm, but not tight. And a very good suggestion: you have to have at least 2 to 3 inches protruding part of the stick from the end of your pinky finger. Purpose is for checking, for batting, and also for disarming. Right? Disarming. So that's the purpose of this remaining part of the stick, the protruding part of the stick. Alright, so let's do this. Arnis combinations of strikes, bagging, alright? So we'll do maybe just 60 seconds or less. And we'll try, for this video, I'm trying to do the random. Alright? Okay, notice the posture and striking movements. I will do as fast as I can and as hard as I can. Okay, fighting stance. Check the distance of your opponent. You have to simulate that this is your opponent. Simulation. Okay? Remember this word, simulation. Right? So, and begin. So there you have it. Alright? See you in the next exercise. Don't forget to subscribe in my Fitness Fanatic YouTube channel, Fitness Fanatic. Oh, I love you, baby.